Hey everybody, and welcome to day number 4 of the Lincoln Rehab. So it was a wet work day today. It was all about tiling. So here we are, we're in the bathroom, and we got all these hexagonal tiles down. Now some of you might recall from the Newton mudroom my joy with hexagonal tiles. In fact, when I did talk to the homeowners, David and Anais, about it, they said, you know, is there anything take more time than normal? And I said, yeah. I said, hexagonal tiles. I said, when you're looking to go and put in a hexagonal tile, I said, that does take more time. So they decided to up the ante, and they gave me a patterned hexagonal tile. So there's a pattern that's actually embossed into every tile. And so these tiles here came from Wayfair. We've got pretty much an 8 foot by 8 foot, so it's a 64 square foot room. And it took me a good 6.5 hours to get the whole thing laid out. Now the only way there really was to get this tile in here, particularly when we were looking to have everything centered on the doorway. So normally we would work from the back to where our exit is. So I didn't climb out the window. I had to dry fit all the tiles. So dry fitting means you lay out all the tiles beforehand, and that helped me get the pattern sorted out. And then I did all my cuttings around the sides, around the toilet spigot, and around the vent. So I did all that cutting first, dry fit it, including all of the spacers, and these are 1/8 inch spacers on this. And then I took them out and I started on the back wall and I worked my way to the door. So 6.5 hours. That was a pretty good project today, but it looks gorgeous. It's a little messy right now, so this will take 24 hours to dry. Then we'll kick out all the spacers and I'll put some grout in. But I think we're going to give it a little bit longer because we're going to get the tile done here in the hallway first. Both of them are going to be a black tile, and we've got a black grout, so it's color on color. So if I can get the tile done here, then if I have any leftover grout, then I can just simply roll right into the hallway with it. So that's where we're going to look to do tomorrow, is we're going to look to get the tile done in the hallway. Yeah, so that's going to be day number 5. Thanks for checking out day number 4. We'll see you all tomorrow.